This is our second part of the first floor. As you can see, we have our logos at here, and this is our workers' office. If you go inside, you can see our big showroom and behind me. Welcome. And I will introduce for you of all these ceiling lights. This material, all of these are acrylic, no plastic. Because the plastic material, if you use more than 2 or 3 years, it can be changed. Outside is yellow color. But this one is acrylic material. It's for the new material and the new style. It also can change 3 colors. And this is for another style of the ceiling light. You can put for the sleeping room, big bedroom, and the big balcony. Next part, I will introduce for you this wall. This is style for the crystal. If you like the shining one, you can choose this style. And we have different size: 300 meter, 400 meter, 500 meter, and 600 meter. Style is with the fan. If you think your weather is not need open the air conditioner, you can choose this style.